Hello Pokemon fans, it's Michael with another video. Hope you guys like it. Today I'm going to be opening 7XY booster packs, 4 breakthroughs, 1 breakpoint, Ancient Origins, and Phantom Forces. Picked them up at a local produce market by my house. Hopefully I get lucky. Just gonna set these down on the side here. Let's go through it one more time. Alright. First off, I'm gonna open up Phantom Forces. Alright. Starting off, first pack. Chansey. Get the focus on there. Skarmory, Golfin, Frillish, Totodile, Leopard, Professor Sycamore, Golbat, Reverse Fletching, and Rare Jellicent. Regular rare. Not so much luck with that pack. Now moving on with Ancient Origins. Second pack, start off with Ralts, Larvesta, Gerlich, Wooper, Beldum, Energy Recycler, Kirlia, Sableye, Reverse Quagsire, and a Metagross. No luck yet. See if this breakpoint come through. Third pack, starting off with the Pancham, Kricketot, Petlil, Drowsy, Corsola, Bayleaf, Electivire, Psychic Third Eye, Reverse Honage, and a rare Ferrothorn. No hollows yet. I don't know what's going on. Hope it comes through in the next 4 packs. Now the first breakthrough of the day. Mischievous, Froakie, Axew, Elgyem, Ghastly, Swoobat, Heavy Ball, Special Energy, Reverse, Spirit Link, and a Star Raptor. Still no hollows yet. Oh my goodness. Moving on to the next pack. Hopefully we can pull out some nice cards in here. Starting off with a Sandshrew, Swinub, Paris, Pansear, Exu, Qualitin, Swoobat, Go-Go, Reverse Swablu, and the Hollow Chestnut. First hollow of the day. Woo! Not so bad. Here you go. Second to last breakthrough pack. Starting off with a Ramrod, Doduo, Piplup, Hippopotamus, Pansage, Assault Vest, Floette, got the Snowball in the back, Reserve Ticket, you never had that, Snover, Reverse Hollow, and a Hollow Octillery, second Hollow of the pack, the day. Whew. And the last and final pack. Hopefully we get lucky. Starting off with a Flabébé, Exu, Scatterbug, Teddiursa, Ramrod, Behem, Town Map, Go-Go, and a Reverse Hollow Pikachu. That's nice. Woo, and a regular rare Bronzong. Not so lucky this time. Hopefully next video I get some ultra rares. That's it.